Welcome to Runtime Atlas. Today we will see how replica sets keep the right number of pods running in Kubernetes. Quick recap. Pods can disappear and come back with new identities. A replica set is one controller that watches that count for you. A replica set starts with a desired number. If replicas is 3, Kubernetes tries to keep 3 matching pods available. The selector is important. It uses labels to decide which pods belong to this replica set, so Kubernetes knows what to count. When a matching pod is missing, the replica set uses its pod template to create another one with the same desired shape. The mental model is a control loop. Kubernetes compares desired state with actual state, then takes action when they do not match. Most of the time you create a deployment, not a replica set directly. The deployment manages replica sets so updates and rollbacks are easier. So remember 4 pieces. A selector finds pods, a template creates pods, replicas set the count, and the controller loop keeps fixing drift.